Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in English 101, College Reading and Composition 1. We are in week 4 in modules, February 25th through March 3rd. We have the second part of discussion 3 to participate in, and we also have an MLA quiz. Now, as you know, modules is our Bible in the class. It contains all of our assignments. I can access modules here, or I can access modules here through this handy link I've created, and I'm going to click on this link. Okay, clicking on this link takes me into our to-do list for week 4, February 25th through March 3rd, 2019, data about student success. We are in the second week of discussion 3. If you have not participated, please participate. This discussion is worth 120 points. Okay, we also have the quiz we need to complete. It is an MLA quiz, and you want to keep in mind that you can take this quiz as many times as you like during the semester. After you take it this week, you can try to make your grade as high as it can possibly be. All right, let's click on discussion 3 and let's survey it. We have all of these links to click on. We have a part 1 and we have a part 2 to complete in here. And let's scroll down and see what we've been doing. You see right here, below a student posting, here is my name, Nuola Alenka-Ivic. I'm Nunu, and I am reading every single posting and I am asking you questions. So look for your posting and look for a question. I'll usually have a graphic like this in your posting so you can see that I've read it and I'm noting your results and challenging you further with a question. Okay, I'm going to scroll down the screen and show you just how active I am here. Here I am again. I've got a graphic and I'm asking a question to the person who posted, and I'm going down even more. And yep, here's another question and a graphic to somebody who posted. And let me just scroll down here. Oh, here we have a big glittery gold star for somebody and a question. Going down all the way here, and you can see that I'm a very active participant in this classroom and the discussions. You just don't post and nobody reads your posting. I'm reading everything you write, so please participate and do not forget to answer my questions. I usually highlight them here so you can see what it is I'm asking you. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up the screen in this discussion 3, which is so incredibly important to us. It's on data, statistics regarding education that we need to study for our term paper. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, I am here in the inbox, and you're never emailing me too much or bothering me. I love to hear from you. So please email me as many times as you need to clarify an assignment or exchange ideas about an assignment, okay? So I'm clicking on home here, and I'm back to our home page. We have the icon this week of a graduate student shackled, chained to a big bag of money, to debt. And this is one of the themes in our discussion 3 about data about student success, as it definitely involves student loans. Okay, again, I'm here in inbox if you have any questions or concerns, and let's have a great week as we prepare to write our term paper. All right, I care, so please participate in the discussion and answer my questions. I'm very active and I want you to learn meaningful things. All right, let's have a good week.